Good morning and namaskar to everyone present here. I am Aryan Budathoki, currently studying in grade 9 at UP. And today I am going to be talking about UFC. The full form of UFC is UFC is a fighting tournament held in America in which many fighters from the world compete with each other. The UFC fight consists of 5 rounds of 15 minutes each. The fight can be over before the 5 rounds if the opponent player gets knocked out or if the opponent player gives up or submits. There are many big names in UFC, for example, Khabib Nurmagomedov, Islam Makhachev, Alex Pereira, John Jones, Charles Oliveira, etc. There are many types of weight or classes in UFC. For example, flyweight, bantamweight, featherweight, lightweight, welterweight, middleweight, light heavyweight, heavyweight, and super heavyweight. There are many side effects of fighter playing in UFC. For example, the bones of the legs, hands, ribs, heads can be broken. The fighter can be injured or paralyzed for his lifetime. The fighter can die if the sport is not played well. In conclusion, I would like to say that UFC is not just a fighting tournament. It is the game of strength, physicality, and high IQ level. Thank you. Have a nice day.